So last week I fired my entire content team. Every single editor, the creative director, people on that were like doing everything behind the scenes, helping me with ideation, fired them all just to go all in on this new style that is taking off right now. And some of the greats in the space are doing it right now. Alex Hormozi, if you go look at Alex Hormozi's channel, he has the original channel and he has another channel that's brand new called Hormozi Highlights. And he's posting 15 times a day and it's real, raw value. No thumbnails, no edits, nothing. And I was like, oh, that's interesting. And so I did the same thing. And for the last 2 weeks, I've been just whipping out my phone and talking. And I'm going to share some insights with you, and I'm also going to share what you need to be doing in order to make more sales, convert more leads, build more trust, and take over the market. But first of all, can we just like look at this sunset right now in my backyard? It's insane. God is good, right? And so, all right, let's talk about this for a second. So here's the thing. There's a big shift happening right now. I feel like there's this pendulum, and we went way too far on this side where the content in 2025 was overly edited. It was everything so polished, so scripted, so fake, right? Fake, kind of felt fake, where everything's just like when my copywriter is giving me the idea and the video and script, it doesn't even feel like Boris. It felt like it was sucking up my soul, man. It was like, I don't want to talk about this. There's a big shift happening, and now the pendulum is now going this way, where more people want natural, organic, real, authentic, unedited content where people talk about what they know and they share it. And so one thing I encourage you to do is to start whipping out your phone and talking. Whip out your phone and make content. I don't have my other phone with me, but whip out your phone. Imagine this is a phone. Whip out this phone and just talk and talk and talk and give value and post. Don't think. Like, who cares about if you get a video that gets 2 likes, who cares? If you get a video that gets 20 views, who cares? Like, how do you even expect to build a brand and be authentic and nurture up your audience and nurture up people if you're not even getting the reps in? This whole thing is it's like a journey. It's like a test. It's like I don't know. You whip out your phone, you give value, and the one feedback I've gotten since I fired my content team is people said how much more authentic this content is, how much more they like this type of content, how much more real it is. And I encourage you to just, I don't care what view you have. You might not live in a multi-million-dollar home on the water. I don't care. You might live in some crusty apartment. Clean up a little bit and make some content. Make some content, man. Like, I kind of wish I went all in on this style years ago. Like, years ago. And I think that this is going to be one of the biggest trends of 2026 before it even pops off. Because people naturally want to feel like they're talking to a friend. I feel like, man, after COVID, I feel like people started being kind of weird, a little bit more closed off, a little bit more like, I don't know, man, isolated. And I feel like the more they like connect with other people like this, even if it's across a screen, but if it's not like highly edited and scripted, it just feels more of like a connection there. It just feels like you're getting to know me for me. And like, I think that that's the future. You providing value. And another thing I encourage you to do is yap about what you know. Just make content about what you know. Because here's the thing. You might not feel like your level's ahead of what you might not feel like you're like as good as you could be to be making content. Like, but dude, you're ahead of someone. You understand certain things in marketing. You understand certain things in video editing. You understand certain things in business that someone else might not. And it's your job and it's your duty to provide that value down and share with people the lessons. And so this is why I fired my content team, because I see a massive shift happening. And I actually like making content now. For the first time ever. I actually like making content. I literally just got done with dinner with my wife, And she's like, babe, look at that sunset. I'm like, dude, I'm gonna go make a video. She's like, all right, enjoy. Like, I actually like it. It brings me energy when I'm not looking at a stupid teleprompter and like, oh man, let me rewind. I messed up that line, bro. I hate that. I hate it. I think people are starting to hate it too. People want to resonate with you. People want to connect with people. And so, you should fire your content team. This is going to save you money, make content easier to produce, and I do believe that you will make a lot more sales because right now we're booking in the hottest leads we've ever done, ever booked. We've closed like 6 people in the last 5 days. Business is taking off to the next level. And what I'm noticing is like the clients we work with are like amazing people because they vibe with who I am. I'm direct. I'm like serious about growing, but I'm also like chill and like let people get to know who you are. I'm also like, I don't want to babysit people. Like if you're kind of like a pussy in business where someone's gonna tell you something and you don't want to do it, like that's not for me. But like hopefully I come off that way because I'm like very direct. And I think you got to be a little bit more direct to make millions of dollars in the space. And that's what it took to get here. And so, I digress. That's a little off topic there. But you know what I mean? Fire your team, make more content. And I do believe, no, you know what? That is on point. When you are more authentic, you will start attracting better clients because they like you for you. They would like you for you. Like, dude, go all in. Go all in, right? So I'm gonna go hit the sauna and watch some sunset with my wife. Have an incredible day. Post some videos. Once you've posted a video, let me know in the comments that you actually took initiative. And if you like this type of content, let me know. If you don't, I don't really care. Have a good one, guys.